Stop, take a breath, and listen very carefully. The world as we knew it in 2024 and 2025 is gone. The economy has shifted, and the traditional ways of making money online have been completely disrupted. If you are still grinding away at dropshipping, struggling with low-ticket affiliate marketing, or trying to navigate the saturated world of generic e-commerce, you are fighting a losing battle. It's 2026, and the hamster wheel is spinning faster than ever. But amidst this chaos, a new breed of entrepreneur has emerged. They aren't working harder, they are working smarter. They have discovered the Profit Hub system, the single most powerful, automated, and high-profit opportunity on planet Earth today. This isn't just another offer, it is the ultimate shortcut to a $20,000 monthly legacy. Welcome to the future of wealth. The digital middleman philosophy, leverage over labor. Think about the giants of our era: Uber, Airbnb, Amazon. What do they all have in common? They don't own the assets, they own the connection. They are the ultimate middlemen. The Profit Hub system takes this billion-dollar philosophy and puts it directly into your hands. You aren't building a website, you're building a high-value hub. This hub is a digital bridge that connects businesses desperate for essential services like SEO, high-quality lead generation, and specialized consulting with expert fulfillment providers who do all the heavy lifting. You are the conductor of the orchestra. You capture the lead, the experts perform the service, and you keep the massive price difference. It's zero fulfillment arbitrage. It's pure leverage. You aren't trading your time for money. You're trading your hub's position for profit.
Let's get real about the numbers. Most people are out there killing themselves trying to sell $10 or $20 products to thousands of strangers. Do you realize how much traffic, how much ad spend, and how much stress that requires? It's a volume game that most people lose. The Profit Hub system flips the script with the math of 10. We focus exclusively on high ticket value. Why? Because it is infinitely easier to find 10 businesses to pay $1,000 for a service that will literally save their company than it is to find 1,000 people to buy a gadget they don't need. These are tiny sales with massive impact. One single sale can net you $500, $1,000, or even $2,000 in pure profit. Just a few of these a month, and you've already surpassed a full-time executive salary. This is how you scale fast without the burnout. The asset comparison. Building wealth, not just income. Most online businesses are just gigs. If you stop working, the money stops flowing. But a Profit Hub is a tangible, long-term asset. Let's compare it to real estate. To make $2,000 a month in passive rental income, you typically need to own a property worth at least $400,000. That means debt, property taxes, maintenance, and the headache of tenants. With the Profit Hub system, one single hub generating $2,000 a month gives you the same financial result as that $400,000 property, but without the debt, without the taxes, and without the maintenance. You are building a digital portfolio of high-yield assets that work for you 24/7. This is true financial freedom. This is how you build a legacy for your family in 2026 and beyond.
Now, you might be wondering, how do I find these leads? That's where our N-Fair advantage comes in. We've spent years developing proprietary lead extraction tools that do the work for you. These tools identify warm prospects, businesses that are already spending money on marketing but getting terrible results. They are literally waiting for someone like you to show them a better way. Plus, we give you the entire done-for-you ecosystem. You get pre-built hub templates, high-converting sales copy, and automated email follow-ups that close deals while you sleep. And the best part, our free traffic loophole. We show you how to drive targeted, high-value visitors to your hub without spending a single penny on ads. We've removed every single barrier to your success. The final call, your founder's membership awaits. The world is moving fast, and the window of opportunity for the Profit Hub System Founders Membership is closing. This is the best offer on planet Earth right now because it combines simplicity, automation, and massive profit potential into one seamless package. You have a choice today. You can keep doing what you've been doing and getting the same results, or you can step into the future. Join a community of elite founders who are already winning. Secure your spot, claim your pre-built hub, and let's start building your $20,000 monthly legacy today. Your future is calling. Will you answer? Click the link, join the movement, and let's win together.